A 15th century palace in Mandu, Jahaz Mahal, is a masterful blend of Afghan and Hindu architectural styles, showcasing intricate water channels, pavilions, and terraces. It is undergoing a restoration project. Locally sourced lime mortar is used, never cement, with a focus on historic accuracy. The restoration of eroded sections is done using traditional materials and construction techniques. The lime is mixed with crushed bricks as an aggregate. The brick aggregate adds strength and bulk and matches the original mortar composition. Lime mortar is much more difficult to use than cement, but is structurally superior and more authentic.